welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a black eyeshadow makeup look. Basically we're gonna be using a black eyeshadow, that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna be showing you how to apply black eyeshadow without looking like a raccoon, if you know what I mean. It is so easy, it is so simple. All you have to do is just follow step by step. Just grab your makeup brush and grab your eyeshadow palette and let's get going. So first of all, what we need to do is grab a concealer or eyeshadow primer, whatever have you. But mostly for the eyes, I prefer using a cream concealer rather than a liquid concealer, mainly because it's gonna last longer. So the concealer that I'm going to be using today to prime my eyelids is going to be the Crayolan concealer, and this is a cream concealer. As you can see, it's pretty thick, and whenever I use the Crayolan concealers to prime my eyelid, mostly my makeup does not move. And trust you me, whenever you're working with dark eyeshadows, you don't want them being transferred all over your eyelid. You don't want to be looking like a raccoon, especially if you're using black. So, and hence the reason why I'm using a brighter concealer than my normal skin tone is because I really want that eyeshadow or the eyes to pop. That's the reason why. So I'm just going to take my little brush here and I'm going to apply this concealer all over the place. The whole entire eyelid. And then without adding any other product, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm basically just going to blend out that concealer. Especially on the edges. And now it's time for us to go in with our first eyeshadow. And you want to make sure that you pack as much as you possibly can because it's going to come in very handy. You want it to still be there without it overpowering the black that we're going to be applying. So go ahead and add as you feel you need to. So now that I'm done with that, one thing that you want to do before you apply an eyeshadow, you don't need to go in with your gel liner, black gel liner. And the gel liner that I'm using, of course, is from LA Girl. And you want a gel liner that is of good quality. It does not smudge easily. That's what you're going to need to go for. And then you're going to apply this on the rest of that eyelid space. Liner. Next we're gonna go in with our eyeshadow, and this one is a black eyeshadow by Juvia's Place. So now you're gonna take another brush and you're gonna go in, a clean brush, and you're gonna go in and grab a little bit of that eyeshadow, and now you're just gonna be applying it all over the place on top of that black gel liner just to make it stay, because if you go in with gel only, it might smudge and you don't want that. You don't want it smudging all over the place. And not just kind of like marry everything together, I'm gonna grab another clean brush and then I'm gonna touch just a little bit of that black eyeshadow, and now I'm gonna start building it upwards. See, I'm just kind of like sweeping across, but I'm moving up bit by bit. So move upwards towards that first eyeshadow that we applied. And just make sure that you blend it all in very well. without adding any more product. I'm basically just sweeping up bit by bit upwards. This is one of the easiest way to actually wear a black eyeshadow. It's very easy. I believe anybody can pull it off. Beginner friendly, 100%. And if you just want to put on some makeup real quick and you got dinner to attend, or something that just requires you a quick makeup look, so this is all you have to do. You only use 2 colors and you're basically kind of like done with eyeshadow. But you need to focus most of your time blending out, especially upwards, not really focusing on the eyelid precisely, but towards the crease area and above that. Yes, and I'm pretty much satisfied with that. So next I'm gonna grab me a white eyeliner, and the eyeliner pen that I'm using is the e.l.f. Shimmer Eyeliner Pencil. I'm basically just gonna apply it on my waterline, on the bottom waterline, because I really want my eyes to open up. And now to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with the e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is like a goldish shade, which is called Warm Tan. And also I'm gonna do it right underneath my brows, just a little bit. Next I'm gonna put on my lashes and do the other side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm just gonna grab some mascara, and of course I'm just gonna apply them right on the lower lashes. And for the face, with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer, I'll put it all over my face, just like that. Forehead as well. We're gonna be going in with the Bobbi Brown foundation, and I'm just gonna put like 3 pumps of this. That's about it. Just spreading it all over. And next I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just gonna highlight, and this one is a Double Duty Beauty concealer. I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyes, just a little bit, and a little bit on my nose, just like that. My Cupid's bow. Clean up underneath those eyes because we had a lot of fallout from the eyeshadow, so this is gonna help brighten up our eyes. Bridge of the nose, just a bridge, just a bridge. And next I'm gonna go in with the She Glam setting powder, and this one is in a light brown shade. I'm gonna grab a little bit using that sponge that I used for blending the foundation. I'm just gonna place it right underneath my cheekbones, just a little bit. I'm not trying to do anything dramatic with my face because I want all the attention to be on the eyes. I'm gonna do the same just to set underneath those eyes. Just put it right there. And while I wait for that, I'm gonna grab, and while I wait for that to kind of like settle in, I'm gonna grab a powder brush and very lightly grab a little bit of that powder, and I'm gonna set the rest of the face with it. And then now I'm just gonna remove the excess powder. Now I'm gonna grab some blush, and I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Peach Glow palette, and I'm gonna use that middle blush right here, this one in the center. I'm just gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I like this because it's not too pink. It just adds a little bit of color back into my face, concentrating this of course on my cheeks. See, it's not hella dramatic or heavy. So nice peachy color. And it's not even pink, it's peach, which is the vibe right now. And then of course, going back to the e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, gonna grab that once again, and I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow. Ooh. The tip of my nose. I love how bronzy it is. It's really, really bronzy, and it just stands out. Just adding a little bit on my nostril and just the beginning of my bridge on my nose. There we go. And let's not forget right above that blush. Just adding a little bit on the brow area, just like that. I'm feeling like going in with this e.l.f. Lashes, Lashes liquid lipstick, and I believe it's discontinued, so I'm gonna be going in with this. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share. And until next time.